Hi there. Welcome to this lecture on finding your personal vision. In the last lecture, we learned about big picture thinking, and you took some concrete steps toward developing larger goals for your organization. Now, we're going to take the same concept and apply it to you personally. This is an important skill to learn because you can't achieve the bigger picture, let alone be motivated to visualize where your organization can go, if you don't have your own personal vision. As a leader, you possess the ability to choose an area of excellence. Just as a good general chooses the terrain on which to do battle, an excellent leader chooses the area in which he or she and others are going to do an outstanding job. When you commit to excellence, you're exercising one of the most powerful motivators in the human psyche. The more you practice this commitment to excellence, the easier it will become for you to think and act like a leader. Remember, all leaders who change people have a personal vision of being the best. So that's the best motivational vision you can have for yourself and for others, to be excellent at what you're doing. To be honest, many people in the business world are not taking that advice. They aren't being the best. They think that as long as they are no worse than anyone else, they'll remain in business. This is prehistoric thinking. We are now in the age of excellence. Customers assume that they will get excellent quality, and if they don't, they'll go to your competition so fast your head will spin. At the end of the day, quality comes down to why. That's why your vision is so important. Why is it that you're doing what you're doing? Why is it that your business is selling what you're selling? Too many businesses get caught up in the how or the what, as in how are we selling or what are we selling? But you must consistently think of why. An excellent example of a business that exemplifies this high quality is Apple. In his book, Start With Why, Simon Sinek highlights the intention of Apple when they set about developing their products back in the 1980s. Led by Steve Jobs' vision, their mission was to challenge the status quo and think differently about personal computers. Today, Apple's products are consistently recognized as being easy to use, user-friendly, and of superior quality. This is not just because the products are great, it's because Apple is driven by a greater sense of why they do what they do. And this vision comes through in every product they create. Finding and remaining truthful to your personal vision will translate into quality in all aspects of your life. Depending on what personal, business, and economical events happen, keep in mind that your personal vision may change over time. At the same time, if you commit to this as your guiding compass, you'll notice that most of your personal vision will remain the same over time.